In isolating booster mode, I now have on the input of the Falcon a Raptor connected, and on the output I have an FM. So if I go to direct fire and I turn the key, I will now power on the input indicated by that light. Now you see the output did not get light up. This is because I did not yet turn that key. So if that key is turned, the input is following exactly, the output is following exactly the input. But this thing here gives you the safety control about the output network. Now just firing, simple. We just, this is just forwarded. And we can also go to check status and do a manual check here. And we see here directly the response of the module. You can also see this gets live updated if I take out one of the bulbs.